To fix Cloudflare proxy error in Shopify, start by understanding what the error is and how it occurs. The Cloudflare proxy error typically happens when there is a misconfiguration or issue with the DNS settings. SSL certificates are firewall rules that Cloudflare uses to proxy your Shopify store. First, check your DNS settings to ensure that they are properly configured. Make sure that your domain name is correctly pointed to Cloudflare and that the DNS records are up to date. You can do this by logging into your Cloudflare account and checking the DNS settings for your domain. Next, verify your SSL certificates to ensure they are valid and properly configured. Cloudflare requires a valid SSL certificate to proxy your Shopify store securely. If your SSL certificate is expired or not properly configured, it can cause the proxy error. You can obtain a free SSL certificate from Cloudflare or use a third-party certificate. Another common cause of the Cloudflare proxy error is incorrect firewall rules. Check your Cloudflare firewall settings to ensure that they are not blocking traffic to your Shopify store. Make sure that the firewall rules are set to allow traffic from Cloudflare IP addresses. To troubleshoot the issue, check your Shopify store's SSL settings to ensure that they are set to use the Cloudflare SSL certificate. You can do this by logging into your Shopify admin panel and going to the SSL settings section. If you are still experiencing issues, try pausing Cloudflare or disabling the proxy temporarily to see if the error persists. This will help you determine if the issue is with Cloudflare or your Shopify store. Finally, contact Cloudflare support if you are unable to resolve the issue on your own. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide guidance on how to fix the Cloudflare proxy error in your Shopify store. By following these steps and checking your DNS settings, SSL certificates, and firewall rules, you should be able to fix the Cloudflare proxy error in your Shopify store and ensure that it is running smoothly and securely.